Morning, good morning. Okay, so today is laundry day. Actually, today is clean my entire house day and try everything that doesn't look like it belong in this house, because I went to Target and I got big, large 30-gallon trash bag because I'm going to clean my children's room and I'm gonna do their laundry. I'm very ambitious today. It's 9 o'clock. Our dog had an appointment at 8:30 with the groomer, so, and then I had to drop off the kids, and then I had to wait for him, and then I had to go to Target to go get the kids stuff, some more food for their lunches and breakfast stuff, because it was a struggle this morning to get breakfast food for them. And I don't like to struggle, so I made sure I picked up some stuff. So anyways, I'm talking too much. Good morning and welcome to a very dysfunctional laundry day. Let's get started. The place we're gonna start is right here. There's socks tucked up in my chair. There's a sock sitting on the stair. Next, there's just a random hoodie that I'm pretty sure is dirty by the entrance of the doorway. Next is this disgusting white towel that needs to be washed. My house is grimy. Make your way up the stairs. There's something random sitting on the stair. Oh, more socks. Yay. And then right at the top, I don't know what that is, but it's waiting on me. The infamous laundry room. That's laundry right there, piled up to the top. No, I just put the towels. I separated the towels. So, welcome home. And then we have white separated for me right here. I don't know what this pile is. I don't know if it's clean. I don't know if it's dirty. So I will be sniffing it. And then come around. There's a blanket that my son was using the other day. He just dropped it right there. And some random shoes, clothes, more random. Welcome to my home. Look, they couldn't even throw away the toilet paper, but we're gonna bypass that. Oops. Some light. Yeah, where's my manners? Yeah, some dingy towel. Is there any more? Yep. Sure enough is. Yep. Let's get all this. And then we're gonna head back out into, yeah, we're gonna pick this one up because I'm sure it's dirty. Here we go. Oops, more random. Welcome to my life. There you go. Now let's start the washer. So today, ooh, there's nothing in the washer. Oh my gosh, don't you just love that? So we're gonna hit start. And the soap that I'm using today, extra, just like the person using it. And here we got a gross dryer top. Yeah, okay, there ain't nothing fancy around here, okay? All right, so I'm gonna use extra, and then over here, this is upside down, because, yeah, dirty. And then I'm gonna use, there's some pods in here. Hold on, let me get it out. We have some mismatch, pink, blue, I don't know, what you guys want, pink? Yes, let's do it. Where'd it go? Oh, what is that? I'm not getting it out. I'm not doing that. Can't with my nails. I got them done yesterday. Yes, for fall. Anyways, and then I'm gonna pour this and this in there and then put the towels. And that's gonna be the first load of the day. Actually, I didn't check my bathroom. I didn't want to embarrass myself, you know, because, yeah, I can embarrass my children, but I'm not gonna embarrass me. Oh, here we go. So the first load are towels. Another rag? No, towels. And then I'm gonna gather all the other stuff. Don't mind my bed. It's not gonna be made no time soon. I'm being ambitious today. At least I'm functioning, okay? Alright? Okay? Alright. Okay, so for this white towel, it's nothing special. It's the towel for the bathroom downstairs. And Madison's always in that bathroom. Madison is my 5-year-old. And this is just random. I don't know. She was experimenting. So I'm just going to put some shelf on it and just throw it in with the other colors because it's not a special towel whatsoever. I just use it for downstairs to let me know that Madison's been in there. Okay, so this is one pile of towel. Wait a minute, how many towels are in here? We didn't count, but I'm not gonna fill it up because if I put way too many heavy stuff in here, my machine will start to literally shake and I don't like that sound because I will stop that thing. I will, once it starts shaking, I'm like, nope, you're done, you're done. So I don't want it to do that, so I'm just gonna, yeah, because the water come all the way up to here. So I'm just gonna, I haven't put soap, so let me stop rambling. But let me go check my youngest son's room. Okay, so, because I don't know what's in his room. Look, my daughter's room. Oh, more towel. Good. Oh, Lord, look, more towel. Okay. I'm gonna clean each of them room myself because I'm done. Scanning, towel. Look, Betty's. I bought him Betty. And, God, facial scanning. No towel. All right, good job. Let's check the twins' room. Scanning. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oops. Yep. Found one. I am so angry right now. I am so angry at the state of my children's room. I am legit, I am beyond pissed. Because, not to front for any of y'all, because trust me, if I wanted to front for anybody, like, oh, I keep a clean home, I wouldn't put any of this on the internet. But I am seriously, because you work so hard to give these kids stuff, and then they treat it like that. So I am like livid right now. But it's okay, you know, because I'm going to clean and I'm going to trash what I feel like trashing. Twins' rooms are clean. Well, I put their clothes on their bed because they're coming home. I'm putting that stuff away because they're about to be 16. No, sir, and they're washing their own laundry. I'm not doing it. But I picked up everything off the floor, trash what needed to be trashed, throw their stuff. When they come home, they get to decide what's clean, what's dirty, and they're going to sit there and they're going to, yeah, and they need to wash their bed, and I'm not doing that. On to the next one. Okay, so Destiny washed her own clothes. She's 14. Twins are 15. Destiny's 14. So she washes her own clothes. So I'm just gonna pick up everything, put it on her bed, clear off her dresser, and I'm not touching her stuff because she's too big for me to be doing that. So I'm just gonna straighten this up, and I'll show y'all when it's done what it looked like with all the clothes. Because if I'm doing laundry, everything needs to be accounted for, and every room has to be clean. Does that make sense? And then they do their own laundry, which they do laundry on Thursdays. So I don't do their stuff. They do their own stuff because they're, you know, they're big people. So that's what I'm getting ready to do, is do the same thing that I did to the twins' room. Okay, guys. Okay, the only thing I have to do is wipe her door down. I wiped the twins' door down. So yeah, all the laundry is out. Well, she didn't have much. She only had this. She only have this much laundry, so I'm proud of her. And then it's dark in here. I cleaned off her as much as I possibly could because I don't like to invade my kids' privacy. I mean, I do go through their stuff sometime, but I don't like to be up in here just, you know, going through things. So she's gonna do all of this when she gets home, like organize her desk. I took off everything that was on her nightstand, vacuum her floor, and she's gonna do the rest because I ain't doing it. I ain't nobody maid, but floor's clean. Baby boy, this is my youngest son's room. Lord, I love him dearly, but he's a little, yeah, I love him dearly. He had curtains, believe it or not, and they fell down. The goal is to get all the laundry out of this room, what's dirty. I'm pretty sure there's stuff under the bed. Oh no, I am proud of him. All right, there's a shirt here. So I'm gonna get all the dirty laundry out for that to be washed. Towels are still going. Towels are still going. And then I'm gonna clean off all of this, vacuum. I'm not gonna do the most. I don't want to do the most because I don't want anxiety to come knocking at my door. So yeah, and then I'm gonna show y'all the last little room. I'm making my way downtown, passing by. all the dirty clothes. This is clean. I did this. I did this. She did that. Her room gives me mad anxiety. It's the reason why I'm gonna purge a lot of this toy. And then I love this little wall right here. It's not bad, but this is gonna give me the most headache. I have donation right here for her. All of her Crocs don't fit no more, so they gotta go away. Still don't know what this is, whether it's clean or dirty. Okay, there's always sock on the stairs. All right, so 3 bags of trash later and a bag of donation. 3 loads later, I'm getting ready to do this one. I have one here, towels, and then it's the first load of laundry. I put away the stuff that was there. All the stuff that was here, I put away. That's my phone and Maddie's hanger. I put away the stuff that was over there. And then whites are getting ready to be washed. So we're making progress, right guys? That's all that matters. Why is that so loud? Let's put this away. I can't find my tripod, so this is gonna have to do. Oh, man. Rope. Oh, oops. What? Okay, whatever. All right.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
Okay, so each shall get a fresh towel. And yeah, that way they don't have to come looking. This is why I came out of their rooms, all the dirty blankets that they cover with. I'm gonna wash those now. Gonna put these away. I would put one in our bathroom, but I'm just gonna wait. This one I'm gonna put downstairs. 3 bags of trash. So one is going in here because, yeah, fresh towels. Yay, nice fresh towel for Maddie to mess up until next week. Okay guys, so I didn't show you Maddie's room. I ended up cleaning it yesterday. Still haven't put her clothes away. This is real life, I'm sorry. And of course Maddie has water on her dresser. Who's tripping? Not nobody. This is what it looks like. And believe it or not, yesterday I had good intentions of ironing the children's school uniform, and it's still here. No uniform got ironed. Real life, always clean. This is, I don't know if you can donate linen. And linens, I mean bed sheets. So I'm probably gonna trash that because, yeah, this I can't part with because it has sentimental value. Throw blanket, throw pillow, cover. Look at my children. I cleaned this bathroom yesterday and the toilet paper is on the floor. Welcome to my life. Can't have, no, I ain't gonna pick it up to stage nothing. This is going downstairs because this is all the covers, the throw covers that I own. And yesterday I was nice enough. I had towels going all the way up to ceiling. Where they went, I don't know. I have teenage boys, so let your imagination run wild. And then bathroom stuff, covers for my pillows, wash towels and hand towel, beach towel. And these are all the towels for the children to use. Blanket, special blankets, all my sheet and covers and winter pillowcases. I need to get these up off the floor, but for right now, this is where they live. Thank you guys so much for watching this unorganized laundry routine. Come back next week when it will be organized, maybe. Not really.